Zenith Bank, Ekasun, Ekale. I Zenith Bank, I don't care. I will tag you people. You people came to, you send your marketer to me to come and market credit card to me. And I say I don't need it. You people force me, you say I should take loan. I say I don't want. Okay, because I didn't take loan, you say I should take debit card. I say I don't want. You say it's good that I can use the debit card anytime I want. I've not used that debit card for once in my entire life. That debit card has been living in my purse for 1 year, 3 months. In a purse, me long pay. And when you now send the card to me, after you gave me the card that I don't use, I have dollar card that I use with GTB, which I don't even use. The money is just, I won't touch it. You now charge me $250 for a card I did not use. I pay. That is the experience you get when you are trying to do past yourself. Ko funny, Yomi. Or you're funny, don't do me. Ko funny. Now, you now sent me another bese. $130. I work hard for my money.
Lifestyle charges.
My husband give me pocket money and I manage that very well. Now you now slam me a bill of $130. You are telling me it's lifestyle changes maintenance. What am I maintaining? I walk from my house to my office 6 kilometers every day. Zenith Bank. I don't want wahala. If green, no green. Because this is daylight robbery. You now slam me $130 bill. First of all, you collected $250 from me. Now you collect $130 from me. And you're now making, I don't owe. You now put me in debit of $130. I'm not saying $130,000. $130. I know it's not up to 100K. I don't thief this money. I don't live beyond my means. I manage myself. How can you slam me $100 now? Me niya now. Please, yo. Hey, John, to your law. Zenith Bank. If you are my customer and you are working in Zenith Bank, talk to them. Be over work and close your account to me. I lower me a quarterly load that Mr. Yabi Mrs. Neon is named them. Hey, John, to your law and Billy Arenica for wrong. It's better you reverse what you put there because I've been sending you people DM and I know if I go to your branch, they'll tell me to calm down. They'll give me juice and coke to calm down. I'm not going to calm down. I am not going to calm down. And any of you that watch this video and tell me that this girl is Raz, I am not Raz. When they remove money from your account, smile. You're Miko funny. Stop it. If you have money that bank want to remove, when they remove $130 from your account, smile and tell them, thank you, God has blessed me. But for me, $130, I'm telling you, hey Joe, reverse it. I don't want to see debit. I don't hold bank. I don't hold money. I don't borrow money. Money me felon. I'm telling you. Our money shalom lele now. Zenith Bank. I have said my own. Me allow. I don't want to allow. Go and remove it. I will tag all the Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank Enugu, Zenith Bank Lagos, every Zenith Bank, all the branches, I will tag them. I am really furious. What kind of daylight robbery is this? How can you rob people like that? You're not telling me to go and pay $130. If I give all my staff $130, they share it among themselves. Won't they pray for me? You now sit down in one place and be telling me that you are charging me for lifestyle changes. What kind of lifestyle?
Is that lifestyle that?
Can you imagine?
That lifestyle is it for me? Lifestyle.
Did I beg you that I need lifestyle? I walk. I have a walking shoes. I walk from my office to my house. Is that lifestyle? Like a Lexus. And you're not telling me to pay $130. $130 walking me. And if she show 2020, gbogbo ala fẹ́ kúrò ńbẹ̀ láyé àtàlàfíà kí ló dé gan náà.
Ìjẹ́wẹ́dù ni wọ́n pa yín o.
Ó bá kékeré ìwédú tó wọ́pàá nìyẹn. Kí rọ́bìṣì òṣìwò nìyẹn náà.